Hi, this is Brandon from Watches on You. Today, we're at Continental Diamond in St. Louis Park taking a look at an interesting watch. This is the Raymond Weil Freelancer Diver. Now, before I start this review, I want to remind you again that we're here at Continental Diamond in St. Louis Park, Minnesota, who's an authorized retailer of Raymond Weil, as well as many other premium brands. And I'd also like to remind you to check out our channel store in the description, where we've listed our favorite watches and watch accessories for sale. So now I'll move into the details of this watch. So as I said, this is the Raymond Weil Freelancer Diver, and this is a very capable diver for the money. And Raymond Weil is kind of an overlooked brand, as it doesn't have the heritage of brands like Longines or Omega, but in my opinion, it offers a very high quality product for the money. The retail price on this is $1,950 US, and that, I mean, it could be seen as rather high for something, again, that doesn't have the heritage of an Omega or a Longines or something like that. But the quality that you get with this watch is actually definitely above that price point. There's nothing really on this piece that suggests that it should be priced anything lower than that. It definitely is a step up from the Longines Diver collection, in my opinion, and that's just due to a lot of the quality of the materials that they use, and also the fact that this watch is completely Swiss made. It does not have certain parts that are made in other places. It is a 100% Swiss made watch, or near 100%, I should say. It's much more than brands like Longines or something like that. So getting into kind of the quality of this piece. So the one basic drawback of it is that it does not have an in-house movement. It has a Sellita-derived movement. It's got 38 hours of power reserve, which is a little bit lackluster in my opinion, but it is automatic, so if you wear it every day, which this definitely is an everyday watch, it shouldn't be a problem. But when I say the quality, I really mean the case. So you have a beautiful ceramic bezel insert. The bezel itself spins very nicely. It's got a very satisfying click and excellent lockup. The dial is rather unique with that exposed date wheel there. At least 3 dates are exposed. And this watch is water resistant to 300 meters, which is, it makes it basically a very capable diver. It's the same as a Rolex Submariner with regards to water resistance. And also the quality that I was discussing was greatly in relation to the bracelet. The bracelet on this watch really reminds me of an Omega Seamaster bracelet, and that's due to the closed end links, or the solid end links, as well as the clasp, which is very similar to my Omega Seamaster Professional Diver chronograph. And you can see the quality that they put into this. I mean, this is not going to break. It's nothing like the pressed metal variety that you get with a lot of watches around this price point. And also it has a beautiful diver's extension that fits rather seamlessly into the case when it's not in use. So I really like that. And I also love the look of a Jubilee bracelet on a diver. This is definitely higher quality than the Jubilee on my Rolex from, I think, the early 80s. And I mean, it's just fantastic. So they really did put a lot of care into this watch, and it feels like a very tough and useful piece. So now I'll try this watch on for a wrist shot. So I'll take off my glove. And it sits 42 millimeters in diameter, which is not too big or too small for most people's wrist. It's really a modern sports watch size. In my opinion, I like watches that are around 40 millimeters, but 42 is not really that big of a deal for me, especially for a sports watch like this. So I don't think it's really a drawback. It's very comfortable on the wrist. I love the feel of a Jubilee bracelet. That's part of the reasons why I bought my Rolex Datejust, and I think that it feels, again, excellent. So all in all, this is a great piece from Raymond Weil. I'll remind you, the retail price is $1,950. If you're interested, you can contact Continental Diamond. I'll leave their website in the description. Their phone and everything will be on there as well. So thank you for watching this video, and remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.